Hope Tyler don't mind, but I might go ahead and take off on this beat real quick. Yeah. Yeah. I won't lie, this album is the most difficult I ever made. The thing that sucks the most, I probably won't get this track played. I'm better at faking and stuff, that I'm happy. When I get home, I always yell that life is so crappy. Getting challenged but not wanting to battle. I don't listen to trash, I hate the sound of Seattle. Random, yes, that's what I think I am. If life was a me, wish mine would go ham. I don't know, blah blah. I didn't really care for the hook. I'm better at running on. If you need me, catch me making out with Brenda Song. She's pretty hot, don't care what you see. I got a thing for Asians, but my girl is black, Cuban, in another island far away. Not cheating if I never met the girl or will any day. If I'm famous, give me a party at Japan, or just let me chill with a bunch of Japanese in the van. Yeah. Okay. Not the stereotypical ones either. I want the hot chicks with the cool guys to recite the whole Common Album believer. Call me John Legend because I see a lot of ordinary people. My definition of ordinary is a bunch of fake who say you'll never be equal. Am I the only weirdo who thinks Scott Pilgrim deserves a sequel? Huh? Listen. Maybe sadly I could care less. I'm the best at being Mr. Fresh Vets, kinda makes sense. No, not really. Welcome to That Kid Volume 1. I make music for me and a couple of my fans, not many. Funny thing is, not long ago I want cash. I wanna make it drizzle with pennies. Okay, Taku, I'm out. You know what it is.